Hello and welcome to our channel, where we demystify car maintenance for beginners. Today we're diving into DIY car maintenance, a vital skill set that empowers you to understand and care for your vehicle. Whether you're a first-time car owner or looking to brush up on your skills, this video is your go-to guide. We'll walk you through some essential maintenance tips that will not only save you money, but also ensure your car runs smoothly and efficiently. So grab your tools, and let's get started on this empowering journey of DIY car care. Tip number 1, checking and changing your oil. First up is checking and changing your engine oil, an essential routine to keep your engine in top condition. Why is engine oil important? It lubricates, cleans, and cools your engine's moving parts, preventing damage and wear. Let's start with checking your oil. 1, ensure your car is on level ground and the engine is cool. 2, locate the dipstick, pull it out, and wipe it clean. 3, reinsert the dipstick, pull it out again, and check the oil level. It should be between the min and max marks. Now, if it's time to change your oil, 1, gather your supplies: new oil, a new filter, a wrench, and a drain pan. 2, drain the old oil, replace the filter, and refill with new oil. 3, check the level again to ensure it's correct. We've broken down each step to make it straightforward and doable for anyone, even if it's your first time. Tip number 2, replacing windshield wipers. Next, let's tackle replacing your windshield wipers, crucial for maintaining clear visibility and safety on the road. Worn-out wipers can impair your view during rain or snow, making driving hazardous. Here's how to replace them. 1, lift the wiper arm away from the windshield. 2, unhook the old wiper blade and remove it. 3, attach the new blade, ensuring it clicks into place. By maintaining your wipers, you ensure a safer driving experience, especially during adverse weather conditions. This simple task can significantly impact your driving safety, so don't overlook it. Tip number 3, checking tire pressure and tread. Understanding the importance of tire maintenance is crucial for any driver. Not only does proper tire pressure ensure safety, but it also optimizes your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency. Here's a more detailed guide. 1, tire pressure. Always check the pressure when tires are cold, as heat can affect the reading. Use a reliable tire pressure gauge and adjust the pressure according to the specifications found in your car's manual or on the inside of the driver's door. Consistent pressure checks can prevent premature tire wear and improve your vehicle's handling. 2, tread depth. Tire tread provides the necessary grip on road surfaces, especially in adverse weather conditions. The penny test is a simple method to check tread depth. If the tread doesn't cover Lincoln's head on the penny, it's time to consider replacing your tires. Proper tread depth is essential for effective braking and water displacement. Tip number 4, inspecting and replacing air filters. A clean air filter is vital for your car's health and efficiency. It ensures that your engine receives clean air, which is essential for combustion and overall vehicle performance. Here's an in-depth look at maintaining your air filter. 1, inspecting. Regular inspections can prevent clogged filters, which may lead to decreased performance and increased fuel consumption. When inspecting, look for signs of excessive dirt and wear, which indicate a need for replacement. 2, replacing. Changing your air filter is a straightforward process that can have a significant impact on your car's efficiency. Ensure you choose the correct filter for your model and securely place it in the housing. Regular replacements, as recommended by your vehicle's manufacturer, will contribute to a smoother and more efficient engine operation. Tip number 5, regular cleaning and inspection. Keeping your car clean and conducting regular inspections plays a significant role in its maintenance. Not only does this routine keep your car looking great, but it also helps in identifying potential issues before they escalate. Here's how to approach this. 1, regular cleaning. Regularly washing your car prevents the buildup of dirt and contaminants that can damage the paint and undercarriage. Don't forget the interior. A clean interior enhances the driving experience and maintains the car's value. 2, inspection. Regular inspections are your first line of defense against wear and tear. Check for any signs of irregularities, leaks, or damages that can affect your car's performance. Pay special attention to belts, hoses, and other critical components. Regular checks can help you catch and address minor issues before they become major problems. Tip number 6, checking and replacing brake pads. Effective braking is vital for your safety on the road, and maintaining your brake pads is a key part of this. Worn brake pads can lead to decreased braking efficiency and increased stopping distances. Here's how you can check and possibly replace them. 1. Checking brake pads. Inspect the thickness of your brake pads through the wheels of your car. If the pad is thinner than 6.4 millimeter, it's time to replace them. Also, listen for any screeching or grinding noises when you brake, as these can be indicators of worn pads. 2. Replacing brake pads. If you're comfortable with basic car maintenance, replacing brake pads is something you can do at home. You'll need to remove the wheel, the caliper, and then the old pads. After that, you can insert new pads and reassemble everything. However, if you're not confident in performing this task, it's best to seek professional help. Tip number 7, checking and topping up fluids. Maintaining your vehicle's essential fluids, coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and transmission fluid is vital for its optimal performance. These fluids play critical roles, from cooling the engine and facilitating smooth gear shifts to enabling effective braking and steering. Regular checks can identify low levels or leaks, preventing overheating, braking failures, and steering issues. Timely top-ups and replacements according to the manufacturer's recommendations can save you from expensive repairs and extend your car's lifespan. It's a straightforward routine that keeps your vehicle reliable, safe, and efficient, ensuring peace of mind on the road. Tip number 8, battery maintenance. Battery maintenance is crucial for your car's reliability. A regular inspection helps spot issues like corrosion or leaks early, preventing electrical failures and ensuring the car starts every time. Cleaning terminals removes buildup and ensures a strong connection, crucial for vehicle startup and electrical function. For those who use their car infrequently, a battery maintainer can keep the charge optimal, extending battery life. This simple yet effective care prevents unexpected breakdowns, especially during extreme temperatures, keeping you and your vehicle on the move. In conclusion, regular maintenance is key to extending the life and enhancing the performance of your car. These practices not only keep your vehicle in top shape, but also contribute to a safer and more enjoyable driving experience. We hope you found these tips helpful and feel more empowered to take on your car's maintenance. Remember, a little effort goes a long way in ensuring your vehicle's longevity and reliability. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful car maintenance tips and tutorials.